Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, it's Beatrice, Pardette and Frankie, two socks with your morning pre-chalk video. Winter months is very misty, moist in the mornings, and the equipment is taking a battering, so we're trying to play musical chairs with our time slots to get good quality content. So here we go. Okay, Pardette, kom ons gaan. Pardette, ons kan nie operate sonder 'n kar nie, nee. Dit wil nie werk vir ons nie. Tidal channel hier at the boardwalk. It's still growing lusciously. It looks like if it's mean low tide, water is still running out. And look at this. The mangrove trees are still dead. Scientists was totally wrong on that one. So I don't think we can trust science anymore, guys, because it's backed up. Science nowadays is backed up by a, shall I say it, by a bunch of fools. It's not like in the old days where people did actual data recording and acted upon the results. These guys sit in air-conditioned offices and make life-altering decisions today and call other people names. They've got the data, they can make the right decisions, but they'd rather go around to calling other people names. Nee, scientist, the new generation scientist is really, no. Come on, guys. And we in low, getting down to Pardette's height today. Having a look what's happening here on the beaches. Yesterday afternoon we did a live, the people loved it very much, so we're going to try and be back here at 4 o'clock with another live. Ja, sê hallo vir die mense. A lot of sediment build up here at the St Lucia Estuary mouth where it meets the ocean. But then the channel is nice and deep. It's gonna over Mackens byten. killing machine lying opposite bank with some hadidas basking in the sun. Yeah, we can see how the peninsula is growing. No fish coming out at the moment with the outgoing tide. Hopefully something is going to happen with the incoming tide if the ocean brings some blue water into the system. Yeah, this is a lot of sediment encroachment. Ocean-borne sediment. Forbes and your 6 buddies threatened to take the minister to court with the NEMA Act. You are responsible for this. We could have agitated this mud bank, and the high waters that was here could have facilitated in taking this out into the ocean. So despite everything that you've done in the past, you, your husband, Dr. Tiki Forbes, Dr. Barry Clark, and 4 other people are responsible for this. I'm sorry to call you out, but you guys were wrong, and now we're stuck with this mess, and it's creeping further and further and further into the estuary system. And no research has been done to find out exactly what the damage is. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Yes, it's Petrus and Pardette with your afternoon beach walk video. Coming to have a look if the people are fishing, but it seems that all the fish has finished biting. Earlier today, Frankie Two Socks has caught us 3 nice shats and a perch, and he cooked it for us. It was beautiful fish though. Thank you, Frankie. We'll walk down to the beach just now so that Pardette can have just relax a bit.